So changed the pump in my washer, and it seems to be doing its little thing. Once it goes to here and stops, or whatever it does. I think it doesn't drain. But I changed the pump. Probably can't hear me very well. I'm trying to be quiet. Change the pump, and that's what the inside looks like after you take off this. And on the inside I found what doesn't look like a safety pin, but it is a safety pin. And it was shoved in between here and the motor itself. You can tell where it's all rusty. Nice and rusty. Where that pin has been digging in there and stopping. I think that's my problem. If this goes to spin and does to done, then I'm good. I'll pause this, and that way you don't have to watch the whole thing. So far, so good. There's the moment of truth. It's on spin and it's working. And it sounds like it's pumping. And it is pumping. In a while, anyways. Sounds like it's moving the water pretty quick. Guess we could have focused that a long time ago, huh? All I cared about was the lights. Easy go. Done. I'm happy. I did rinse and spin because it just doesn't do the drain on anything, so quick test. And now I know it's working because that thing is bone dry now. Now it's bone dry. Holy crap. Go to done. Unlock my lid. You pain in my butt. Oh yeah, it's gonna do the final spin to the final drain. Well, this is taking longer than I wanted it to, but I didn't say too bad. Done. Unlock. Go to done. Go to done. Come on. Time to go to done. Or not. That sounds like a washing machine again.
Now
holy crap.
It's wiggling like that. It's working.
Yeah. It's shaking the camera. Yeah, I do. You're done. Clothes are drier than they've ever been dry.
Yeah.
Let it go. Just want to see us say done. Still good.
Still spinning.
Hopefully somebody doesn't get seasick from this. Sorry. Maybe have a bucket near. If you're working on your washer, don't puke in it.
That's disgusting.
That would be disgusting. The anticipation. Stop already!
Don't mind him, he's impatient.
Well, we all know how long the rinse cycle, or spin cycle takes, so congratulations.
Now you should have started from the beginning.
I paused it a couple times, or once anyways. Oh, come on, it's barely turning.
Okay, impatient person.
Click. Done and click. It spins again. I'm gonna break it.
Very impatient person.
Oh my god. Breaking it. Give me the hammer. Surely this is the last time. Okay, I'm pausing it. So, in the meantime, it's still spinning. Like 2 minutes have went past. But I put this back together. I think this is fine. Looks disgusting, but gonna make a good backup. So, let's go. Hurry up.
Impatient person here. You put it on high spin, did it on low, would have been done by now.
Alright, we don't need any more impatient people. Here. Came right on my washer. 12 hours of that. Yeah, I don't think I could do this for 12 hours. Sorry. My washer would probably die again. Okay, pausing it again. We'll be back when it's spinning down. No, it just quit clanking. I'm certain it's done, but just for video's sake. Ooh, some of my crappy piping in the ceiling. Okay. You want to see that light and that go away. Go. Go. Go away.
Impatient person, impatient person, impatient person.
Okay. Here, Tommy. Today.
It's gotta slow down, impatient guy.
It doesn't know I'm trying to make a video.
Oh well.
So that I fixed my washer finally. Like, got my hands all dirty with nasty. Ugh. Want some?
No, thank you.
There you go.
Get.
Free supper. Or breakfast at this hour.
You're not getting.
Turn on. Turn on. That light has not came on in forever. It might not work no more. That might be a broken bulb.
Person, will you just hold your horses?
Might have to get a new LED for that.
Shut up
It
about your
hasn't-
LEDs.
It hasn't worked in forever, so. Now you said that, I think I will make that a RGB LED.
No, you're not touching the watch
Come down
anymore.
here and it's like in rainbow color.
No, thank you.
Are you kidding?
It does that. Now wait a minute.
Oh yeah, and then it like stops and goes. I think I heard it do this once in the time we've had it.
There you go. It's done.
Yeah. Look, it's fixed. The light works too. I don't have to fix that. Yeah, awesome. Woohoo!